Got you something. There you go. I bought you a present.
Oh, must be a saw.
I don't know what gave that away.
Oh, protective gloves.
That's awesome.
So you don't cut your fingers off. Look at that. Oh man. Let's take a look at it. Zing, zing. Zing. Look at that.
That is awesome.
That is really cool.
Does it come with the battery?
Comes with not one,
But one. That was the charger.
but two.
Wait, oh, it is two. Okay.
Yeah, the charger's right here. Now who's laughing? Exactly.
And safety first. Oh! Whoa.